Welcome to the Netiquette Next. Hello viewers. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you much more amazing thing. In that thing, I am gonna show you the servers. These are all the servers: the Docker, the XAMPP, MAMP, WAMP server, and a lot of all of them. We have a lot of them. So today in this video, I will be telling you about the XAMPP. What is XAMPP? It is the server. We are gonna download and install it. Here in the browser, I'm gonna search the XAMPP. Here we go, and here is the official side of the XAMPP. Here it is giving me the option. We have these options: Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl in the XAMPP. Here are the options. I'm gonna click on the download. XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, and XAMPP for OS X. And we are going to download the latest version of the XAMPP, which is 8.2.4 for Windows. These are the Windows, so here we go. I'm gonna download it. It is being downloaded. It's gonna take some time, a little time. And XAMPP is really a good server. It is being downloaded. Afterwards, we will be showing it in the folder. It's gonna take some time while the XAMPP is being downloaded. I'm gonna first end this video because it is gonna take some time. When it will be downloaded, we will be seeing it in the folder. Now the XAMPP in for our Windows has been downloaded, so we are going to install it. We are going to click on it. I have double clicked it. It's being opened, and we will be installing it. The latest version 8.2.4 has been downloaded. Now we are going to install. Yes, we have to install the XAMPP for our video. Welcome to the XAMPP. Important because an activated user account control. Okay. Now the setup XAMPP. Welcome to the XAMPP setup wizard. Next. And MySQL FileZilla. Yes. Next. Please choose a folder to install. We are not going to install it in the hard drive C, because whenever we boot and install the new window, our data in the C drive cannot survive, and we have to install it in another folder. I am going to put it in the E, and then have to put the slash, and then I already have made XAMPP. I already have made the folder, so it's gonna go there. Yes, the English language setup is now ready to begin installing. Okay, next, installing, unpacking files. It's gonna take a little time. Now the XAMPP has downloaded for our Windows. We are going to install it. I'm gonna click on it. I have double clicked it. Now, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. We are going to install the XAMPP. So here it is being processed. Welcome to the XAMPP. And important because yes. Setup. Welcome to the XAMPP setup, and MySQL files, select component, and yes. And next, it is asking. Now we are going to choose the folder. I have already created the folder in the PC do in this. Now we are going to, I already have made the new folder for the XAMPP installation because it's gonna go there. If I will be installing it in the C hard drive, if my window will be corrupted and I have to reinstall my window, or I have to update my window, all of my database, all of my data, all of the backup will be corrupted. So if I want to keep it, I have to put it rather than C. So I'm gonna put this installation in the hard drive F. So here I already had created the folder. I'm gonna install it in F. Now I have to choose the language, which is gonna be English, and setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. And yes, next. And now it is being installed. It's gonna take a little longer. I will be fastening my video from this point. When it will be installed, I will be back. Here it is being installed, and I'm gonna show you it is being stored here. All of my data is being stored here while the XAMPP is being installed. Here is the XAMPP. It is installing and unpacking the files, and my files are going to appear here. All of my data, it is being appeared here in the folder, and from this point it is being installed. It's gonna take a little time. Now all of the files have been unpacked and it is being installed. It has installed. XAMPP has installed. We can see all of the files. We have all the data related to XAMPP. As you can see, it is probably done. 75% has done and only 25% is left. That will be done soon. It has done, and I will be finishing it here. And now we can see all of the related data. We have its backup, the Perl, Apache, MySQL, everything. And now XAMPP is giving us the option to start the modules. We are going to use Apache and MySQL, so we are going to start both of them here. And yes, we have to allow the access. It is being worked. Yes, allow access. And now our XAMPP is probably done being installed. The XAMPP has been installed. In the next video, I will be telling you how we can use. In this video, I was telling you about how we can download and install the XAMPP. In the next video, I will be telling you in the next lecture how we can use the XAMPP. Hope to see you again, and please share, like and subscribe our channel, like our videos. We will be back soon.